Convinced they lied to us. I am completely convinced that they lied to us. As gardeners, it is so cool to see and watch things grow. My boys love broccolis, and commercially, you're always gonna see these florets sold at the stores. But as we grew it, we understood that almost more than 50% of this plant is truly just leaves, and they really look a lot like collard greens. And I wanna show you how easy it is for you to incorporate into your daily diet. This right here is the stem. It was actually the stem of the head. I have a lot of stems right now on the broccoli that are about this tiny. So I wanna show you just how easy it is for you to eat this stem. It's just simply peel the outside. I've had people also say that you can freeze them and it makes this outside easier to eat. But honestly, this gives me the same crunch as celery if I was gonna put celery in it, and it doesn't have that much of a hint of broccoli. Biggest thing about eating this stem is that you wanna make sure that that outer skin is completely off of here. Want some more?
Yeah.
This would be great in soups and stir fries. Literally, I think that you could probably find a way to incorporate it in every meal. Next, we're gonna talk about the leaves that are completely edible. You're gonna use these leaves as you use your kale. You're gonna use them as you use your collards. These are also good raw when they're small like this. But once you start getting the bigger leaves, those are gonna be great for your collard greens. They're gonna be great for your sauteed with your garlic and your olive oil and your salt and pepper. Literally, they are so useful in stews, in soups. Wherever you're using a leafy green, you can use a broccoli leaf. Make sure to leave a link to the video that shows you our top 5 tips when we grew our broccoli. You don't have a farm or you don't have a garden and you want to get your hands on these leaves, make sure that you make a friend with a local farmer or gardener, and I guarantee you they will have some to share. As always, friends, make sure that you are kind to yourself and happy gardening. Bye!